Hi everyone, John Glynn from McMichael Yacht Brokers here, and today we're aboard a Marex 360 answering some questions we often get asked about diesel inboard maintenance. And today we're going to have a quick look at the Volvo/Garmin glass bridge screens for how you can troubleshoot your own engines while looking at your screens. So let's have a look at how you can check your own oil levels without having to open the engine locker. And there's your oil levels right there. Now, if you have some problems and they are reading incorrectly, you can go back and go to your maintenance assistant. On this screen, you can see the amount of time until your next service needs to take place and how many hours are currently on the engines. But if you do need service, you can go to this button here and find your nearest service dealership. In this case, McMichael Yacht Brokers. So, as you can see, Volvo has taken the guesswork out of inboard diesel engine maintenance and put it right on the screen in front of you, making it far easier to keep up with your oil change sequencing and your engine maintenance sequencing.